Today, our intrepid brothers, Dr. Blas Onanon and Professor Fuzz Frumbles, are in the Amazon Rainforest. Professor, what brings you to the Amazon Rainforest?
We are in search of the tiger cat, the ocelot.
It has a stripy tail and lots of spots.
It will be a long journey. We will meet lots of interesting animals along the way.
The ocelot can hide behind small trees and bushes. It is very hard to find. The black caiman, the largest predator at the top of the food chain in the Amazon basin, growing up to 4 meters in length. It eats Amazon otters. They are one of the largest crocodiles on the planet.
You could always punch it in the nose.
Look, there's a spider monkey and a toucan. It's gonna be dangerous in the jungle. The ocelot's diet is fish, frogs, mice, rabbits, monkeys, lizards, snakes, birds, and young deer. The predators of the ocelot is man for hunting them for its fur.